For months now, we've been telling you about teenagers committing crimes across greater Cincinnati. In many of these cases, the teens were arrested and released the very same day. WLWT News 5's Lindsay Stone sat down with the juvenile court judge to investigate why this is happening. Hey, Lindsay.
Well, last month, 3 teens were arrested for brutally attacking a woman on a Metro bus in Colerain Township. All 3 were released from the Hamilton County Juvenile Detention Center the very same day. Now, on January 23rd, cameras along Vine Street captured a victim suddenly being jumped from behind by what appears to be 8 young people. A 14-year-old suspect was taken to the Juvenile Detention Center and later released a day later with an electronic monitoring unit. Tonight, I sat down with Judge Carrie Bloom, who's weighing in on recent youth crime in our city.
We do certainly in Cincinnati and in the city proper have increases in youth offenses with guns.
Hamilton County Judge Carrie Bloom is tasked with making sure juveniles who commit crimes don't become repeat offenders.
In juvenile court, we focus on rehabilitation. How do we make sure this kid doesn't do this again? How do we make sure we protect the community?
The Cincinnati Fraternal Order of Police has been critical of juvenile courts, calling for them to be tougher on crime among teenagers. On Friday, FOP President Ken Kober released a statement saying the latest string of incidents are a result of what they call a lack of accountability from the juvenile court system.
I can understand from how the outside, when you just read a one-line entry that says maybe what the disposition or sentence is, you wouldn't understand because you don't have all the information.
Bloom says all detained and released decisions are made on a case-by-case basis.
It's not just, back out on the street tonight. If that does happen, that's because the parent or guardian that the child was released to allowed or didn't know that that's where he or she went.
When making a determination, Bloom says she considers where a child is in their development. Data shows the longer a child is incarcerated, the more diminishing returns.
Our process of do we hold a kid or not right after he's charged. If a kid stays in detention between 1 and 3 nights, there is already irreparable damage that's caused.
The law states it's not just cut and dry decisions for courts, meaning judges must make an individual determination on each kid.
We don't have a list of cases of, if you are arrested on case X, you're definitely held or definitely released. We are not allowed to do that.
While local leaders have been critical of juvenile judges for not being tough enough on teen offenders, Bloom says the primary goal of juvenile court is education and reform, not punishment. Lindsay Stone, WLWT News 5.